to another Mike's Positively Technical World video. We're not doing a review today, we're just going to be here at the National Exhibition Centre in the UK in Birmingham, and we're going to go and have a look at a few of the trade stands here, and also we might potentially accidentally stumble across a Works trade stand with any luck. Let's go have a look, come on. Just found the perfect camper van, perfect colours, sold. It's nice though, I like it.
Did you buy it?
No, I didn't buy it. Wallet's been saved for later. It's nice, but I'm not sure about the colour scheme. Over here at the My Rider stand, we've got the right colour scheme, but it's a bit small, to be honest, but it's compact and it's electric. I think it's quite a worthy thing to have a bit of a shot at. We'll just get in here, camera. Fantastic. Little tiny baby wheels, very nice commuter-based bike, I think. But I love the colour scheme. So guys, the Caravan Camping and Motorhome Show 2023, absolute blast of a place, plenty of decent vendors around here showcasing some amazing new products. Been to the Work stand as well, and they are showcasing some of the finest products they have available. The new Nitro range, also the new Hydro Shot, the brushless one, absolutely fantastic. Had a look at those, also had a chat with some of the staff there as well. Fantastic experience, fantastic day out. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed having a look at some of the things that have been going on here, and I hope to see you in the next review video. Take it easy, bye for now.